friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am Palavyas with you to talk about personal pronoun. In my one previous video, I have told you about pronoun and I have also told you about that there are 7 types of pronoun, and from that only today I am going to tell you about personal pronoun. And in my one more video, I have told you about interrogative pronoun, which is also the part of the kinds of pronoun, and so on. Today we are going to tell you about personal pronoun. So let's begin. First of all, what is personal pronoun? These indicate persons, things, animals, etc. They are used as subject of the verb. Let's revise this definition again, because this is so important, because personal pronoun topic is important. So let's begin. These indicate persons, things and animals, etc. They are used as subject of the verb. Now you know that there are 3 persons. In one video I have told you in the beginning also that in one video I have told you about pronouns. Yes, so in pronoun I have also told you that this thing which I am going to tell you now is most important. Okay, so today I think I should tell you again. So let's revise it again. First of all, this is so important topic. This person means, you can also note this or you can also take screenshot of this. So let's begin. As you know that in my that video I have also told you that there are actually 3 persons. How many persons? 3 persons. First of all, first person, second person and third person. Now we are revising, so I am also going to tell you that which are first person, second person and third person. Now first of all, what is first person? See, I'm the speaker. I'm the speaker. Why I'm speaker? Because in my this video I'm telling you about personal pronoun. I have start this personal pronoun. So I'm the speaker, and which is the speaker is the first person. Now which is the second person? We know that which is the first person, that is the speaker. But now the most thing comes that which is the second person. So that person which listens to the speaker, that is second person, means I'm the speaker but you all are listening me, means I'm the speaker so you are listening me. That you are a person and you are listening me, means the speaker. That we have to keep in the mind, that person which listens to the speaker are called second person. Now which is third person? Suppose we two are friends and we are talking about one student which is in our classmate, which is our classmate. That student study in our class only. So we are talking. I'm the first person, you're the second person, but we are talking about any person, not student only, any person. So any person is any person. So that person for which we are talking, that is called third person. Now I think you have understood that what are first, second and third. Now in the first person, what we are going to write in the English for first person? Anybody asks you, not anybody. Suppose I am also asking you that what we are going to write for the first person in the English. So are going to return in the English form for the first person. Now for the second person, you, your and yours, because second person means you just have to learn it. You just take a screenshot or you just can write also. I have also told in the beginning of to start this topic. So these you have to go to learn, because for second person we use you, your and yours. For first person we use I, me, my, mine, we, us, our and ours. Now when we are talking about third person, what we are going to write in English? We are going to write he, she, it, they, them, his, him, her, hers, its, their and theirs. Okay, now for first person we are going to write this, for second person we are going to write this, and for third person we are going to write this. Now we are going to learn, we are going to understand this all in Hindi to understand easily. So let's begin. क्या होता है पर्सनल प्रोनाउन? हम नहीं जानते। मान लो कि आप नए हो, आपको नहीं पता क्या होता है पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, तो आपको सबसे पहले ये याद रखना है कि जो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन है वो एक किसका प्रकार है? वो है प्रोनाउन का प्रकार है। अब पर्सनल प्रोनाउन होता क्या है? पर्सनल प्रोनाउन की जो डेफिनेशन है, इसे भी आप या तो लिख सकते हैं, या फिर आप इसके स्क्रीनशॉट खींच सकते हैं, या फिर आप इसे याद भी कर सकते हैं। आपको याद तो डेफिनेटली करनी चाहिए। तो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन होती है, these indicate persons, things, animal, etc. They are used as subject of the verb. ये पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं? ये क्या इंडिकेट करते हैं? सबसे पहले तो ये इंडिकेट करते हैं कोई भी पर्सन, कोई भी थिंग, कोई भी एनिमल और भी आदि, उनको इंडिकेट करता है पर्सनल प्रोनाउन। और ये कब यूज होता है? ये किस तरीके से यूज होता है? ये यूज होता है एक सब्जेक्ट की तरह। यू नो ना सब्जेक्ट दैट when I have also uploaded one video that what are subject and predicate. In that also I have told you what are subject. So just go to that video and just see that what are subject. Now let's continue this. ये यूज होता है एक सब्जेक्ट की फॉर्म में, और सब्जेक्ट की फॉर्म में भी किसका सब्जेक्ट? वर्ब का सब्जेक्ट। और जैसे कि आप जानते ही हैं, यहाँ पे 3 पर्सन्स होते हैं। एक तो होता है फर्स्ट पर्सन, एक होता है सेकंड पर्सन, और एक होता है थर्ड पर्सन। फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन सा होता है? एक स्पीकर, यानी कि मान लो कि अगर अपने एक स्टोरी रीड कर रहे हैं, कोई स्टोरी रीड कर रहे हैं, तो स्टोरी के अंदर मान लो मैंने शुरुआत की, तो जो शुरुआत करता है वो क्या माना जाता है? स्पीकर। और जो स्पीकर होता है वही क्या होता है? फर्स्ट पर्सन। और फर्स्ट पर्सन के लिए कौन से यूज होते हैं? आई, मी, माई, माइन, वी, अस, आर एंड आर्स। और अब सेकंड पर्सन कौन सा होता है? सेकंड पर्सन यानी कि आप लोग ही हुए। कैसे? उदाहरण में जैसे मुझे ही ले लीजिए कि मैं क्या हूँ? स्पीकर हूँ। क्यों? क्योंकि मैं पर्सनल प्रोनाउन बता रही हूँ आपको इस वीडियो में। उदाहरण में तो मैं हो गई, फर्स्ट पर्सन हो गई, लेकिन सेकंड पर्सन कौन हुए? आप लोग हुए। आप लोग क्यों हुए? क्योंकि सेकंड पर्सन वो होता है जो सुनता है। अब किसको सुनता है? स्पीकर को। यानी कि आप लोग मुझे सुन रहे हो, तो आप लोग क्या होगे? सेकंड पर्सन। यानी कि आपको ये इतना याद रखना है कि फर्स्ट पर्सन स्पीकर, सेकंड पर्सन that person which listen to the speaker। और थर्ड पर्सन कौन सा होता है? मान लो हम दोनों क्लासमेट है, आप और मैं, और अपनी क्लास के अंदर एक कोई गर्ल है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हो। ये गर्ल नहीं, कोई भी हो सकता है, और जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं तो वही पर्सन क्या होगा? थर्ड पर्सन। सेकंड पर्सन के लिए हम यूज करेंगे यू, योर और योर्स। और थर्ड पर्सन के लिए हम यूज करेंगे ही, शी, इट, they, them, her, hers, his, him, it's, their, and theirs. Really, guys, I hope you would satisfied from this part. I have also satisfied that you have understand what are personal pronoun. So please like my video, like the क्योंकि बनता है. और if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my video. Please subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.